Hi guys, Ralph here. I'm deviating a little bit on the content of the videos. Today's one, I was doing the Admin 3000, but at the minute it's in pieces. I burned something out and I'm waiting parts. So when they come, I'll continue. So at the minute, let's just leave that to one side for a little bit. Right, I'm going to share with you a little, one of my passions in life is good sci-fi and good design on sci-fi ships. One of my favourite ships that I ever saw was in the BBC series in the late 70s, early 80s of the Liberator for Blake 7. Just loved the design of the ship. Now let me show you a few collection of what I have for the for Blake 7. And start off, I need a little zoom. Have a look. There she is. That is the Liberator, the Corgi, 1977 Liberator. Come back out again. Made in England, 1977. Now this ship nothing I have actually survived the call of getting rid of stuff when I needed money. But everything I've rebought over the years. I always try and get as good a version as I can, used off eBay. But the ship was awesome growing up. Just the small parts of it, even the actual dome bit on the back, it's made out of clear plastic. You can see straight through it. I haven't yet. With the lights and it comes, yeah. With this I was old when I was 70, right, I'm thinking I had it a couple of years after the series started. So I was, yeah, probably about 7, 8, maybe 9. I really wondered about this. There's a crack on the back of here. Crack on both sides. Apparently this, when it's actually made, this ring part and the top section is separate. The bottom part couldn't make one, and I obviously need to thread that into there, and then close things in. I don't really want to take these apart, and never will do. But there's the first one, the DSV2, as they called it. The crew of Blake 7 called it Liberator. They actually brought a second. For some reason, they reissued it. Same markings, 1977, but in silver. With a green dome, but with yellow markings, with the yellow antennas. I don't understand why they did that. And that part there is also beige as well, if you compare centre sections. This Liberator is pure white apart from the silvery, goldy section in the middle. Whereas this one, the beige section there, silver. The more I look at this silver one, the more it does look very glittery silver. I'm not 100% certain it's not been repainted, but it is complete. Got all three of the outer guns as they were, the engines or whatever they are. And the centre part as well, that little piece in the middle there, always used to be fell off, bitten off. I think the white one's actually really in danger of going. There's a line on the centre of it there. And the silver is actually in better condition than the white one. Okay, so they have a third of these because they actually released the white one and the silver one, and they actually released, still mint in the box from Corgi, number 44, the blue, metallic blue version. Now for some reason they like doing this, Corgi, mixing in different colours. We know this is the Liberator, the original one, but why they brought that in silver, why they brought that in blue, they must have just had a batch. Everything else is the yellow parts from the silver version, the white centre part, like the bridge section or engine cowling in the middle, but the rest of it is of a very nice metallic blue. And this one I signed on the back, you can see inside there by the creator, Terry Nolan. It's not Terry Nolan. Sure I got that wrong. Well, it's Terry Nation. Yeah. Terry Nation did Black 7, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's a third one I've got. Now, they actually re-released, well, they released the DVD version of Black 7. Never released it on Blu-ray. As soon as they do, boom, there, mine. But they released first 2 series and then brought a third one out with a special Black 7 in a dome. Still mint, still never moved, never opened. Absolutely spot on. You can tell the difference of being player worn. The centre is supposed to be gold. It's obviously been repressed from the original, and because they are exactly the same, and all the little flawed parts of them, but made lovely gold in the centre there. Absolutely stunning. You know, these come sealed in. As you see there as well, the crack is still there. The join for the engine dome. I had to get one of these because this is a mint version of this for the price of nothing. They came free with the DVDs. A few years ago, I was looking and thought, it's a bit odd. So I was looking for the Black 7 stuff and came across this. Now, these came free. These came, the DVD case was there and the hole in the middle, and this was pushed through the hole. And look, here you go. You got a free Liberator that you can't, that you want to, but you will destroy the packing. This one, I don't know where this comes from. I can't find anything to do with it. I think it's either the last of the line or a test piece, or I don't know what. This has never been opened. I will not open this. I don't want to open it. But with the original Liberator being all white, gold band green, so there's only 3 colours on it. You've got the white engine circle, all white engine, well, weapons at the front, a black cowling, bridge section cowling. A light out in the way so you can see better. A gold band and everything in silver. I do not know where this came from. I know it obviously was from the DVD release, but I just do not know. You've got a BBC 1977 there, blank Corgi. That was a third one. Corgi, made in Great Britain. Yes. Hurrah! Great Britain. Yeah, this must be either the most dumbest find ever, or somebody got bored on the production line. But I have it. I don't have the DVDs, but I have this. If anybody wants to buy this from me, then fine, no problem. I'll accept any offers between the 1 and 2 million mark. And if you're serious, I will be very grateful and deliver it hand delivered to wherever you are in the world. But money before I fly. But you know, that's I don't know why that is there. But yeah, silver from the reissues, but they were obviously made from the original pressing. My only mint originally in package. I'm still looking for one each of these, and I think they came, or one of these came with a set which had the Moonraker or a space shuttle with it. I think it was a space shuttle, not Moonraker. And getting hold of one of these mint in package, excuse me, mint in package is a pain in the backside. Now, I do have other dinky toys, Corgi toys, but no other Liberators except for this little thing. I mean, this was a model kit I got years ago, and the sizing from the original Corgi, it's yeah, the amount of detail on this thing was ridiculous. It was from Titan Find. It was, I think it was American model makers who actually now are on Masterpiece Models. Currently I'm not being sponsored by anybody, but if Masterpiece Models would like to send me anything through, I can do a wonderful review. But this was the second release of the Titan Find ones, when it was at Titan Find himself. Brilliant bloke to talk to. Got along really well with emails, and they sent this kit through. The original kit they had with the dome, which was white, and you painted this green part on. They did actually have a an upgraded version. You can buy this on its own, and this could be lit. I'll get this on its side, give you some more perspective. Made with a custom plinth, which is a yeah, it's a deck board, but it'll do me until I can find some other better way of mounting these. All pins on the end of here, all metal, all cut to size, painted on. All of these, I'd say pylon sections if you're going to start talk Trekkie or anything, but each one of these has got a metal bar straight through it to give a lot more stability, even though it does bounce like a, yeah. Don't release these. They had the there was another smaller version of the Liberator that was released as a model kit, but I went for this one. Absolutely loved making it. It's all white. I wanted to make it as fresh-ish out of the package, out of the starbase as what I could. Didn't want to have the weathering. I might eventually weather it, you never know. But yeah, but the best thing about this was there was no upgrade on this, but I did do my own lighting on this. Now the problem with it is I'm looking at this now, and this really isn't doing too well. That doesn't flicker, that just fades in and out. Let me turn the light off and try with a different one. Now inside this I did there was a beacon light that I had. It was part of what you recommended to actually use for these, which is a small, sort of about that long, small cylindrical sort of light, which has this pulsing effect, which looks exactly the same as the Liberator, but you can change it. It doesn't want to change, does it? 1, 2. Well, this was wired up to 12-volt power supply, so I can get it working without having to change batteries. But yeah, that's a small collection of my yeah, my Liberators. Hope you enjoyed this. If you didn't, sorry, but if you could, like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.